Hello and welcome to the lesson. And in this lesson, we'll be covering the fundamental concepts of data types and variables. And this lesson is just a brief overview, and we will discuss all the details of data types and variables in Java in future lessons. And during this lesson, we'll discuss the following topics. The first one is the explanation of what data types and variables are. And the second one is importance of understanding data types and variables in programming in general. So Java is often referred to as a strongly typed language. And this means that every variable, every parameter, and every expression in a Java program has a data type, which is checked at compile time or at runtime. In other words, Java enforces strict rules on the usage of data types in a program. And one of the benefits of a strongly typed language is that it can catch errors early in the development process. For example, if you try to assign a string value to an integer variable, then compiler will throw an error preventing you from running the program with potentially dangerous code. So to sum up, Java's strongly typed system ensures that all data in the program is used correctly and consistently. And it makes it robust and reliable language for building complex software systems. So let's define what data types and variables are. Don't worry about this diagram. We will discuss it later in our future lessons in detail. And now I will just give you a brief overview. So in Java, every variable has a data type, which specifies the type of data that the variable can store. And this is crucial for the proper functioning of a program because it ensures that values assigned to a variable are appropriate for the operation being performed. And Java supports a variety of data types, including primitive data types, such as int, double, and boolean, and reference data types, or unprimitive data types, such as arrays and objects. And each of these data types has its unique characteristics and limitations. Primitive data types are used to represent simple values, such as numbers or characters, and they are stored directly in memory. On the other hand, reference data types are used to represent more complex data structures, such as arrays or objects, and they are stored as references to a memory location. And it is important to understand the data types in Java, as choosing the wrong type can lead to unexpected results or errors. For example, storing a large number in an int data type may result in a loss of precision, while using a Boolean data type to represent a value other than true or false may cause logical errors. Let's discuss variables in Java. So in Java, a variable is a container that holds a value or reference to a value. It is used to store data that can be manipulated and used throughout the program. A variable in Java has a name, a data type, and a value. The name is used to refer to a variable in the program. The data type defines the type of data that the variable can hold, such as integer, string, or boolean. The value is the actual data that is stored in the variable. For example, if we have an int data type and we want to store the value of 5, we can create a variable named age, for example, and assign the value of 5 to it. And this can be written in code, as you can see on the demo 1. But we will discuss the details in the next lessons. So don't worry if you don't understand something for now. And it's also important to note that the data type of a variable must be declared before the variable. And once it's declared, the data type of a variable cannot be changed. So understanding data types and variables is crucial in programming as it allows you to properly store and manipulate data in your program. It is essential to choose the correct data type for your variables as it ensures that the program will function in correct and efficient way. Um, that's it. Thank you for attention and see you on the next lesson. Bye.